to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today we're going to bring in some Tiki Lights. They kind of turn on like fire, and the solar panel, if you guys can see it, nice little setup. It identifies dark to night, from light to dark automatically, and there's an on button right here, a little push button. We got a couple extenders in here. They give you multiple, and they give you 2 of these, so these are awesome. Look at this. I'm gonna put it down if you guys can see it. It simulates the actual torch lights. These are so cool. Water resistance, waterproof, not submerged completely, but waterproof. And like I said, plenty of light. I'll give you maybe 5 to 8 hours on a fully charged of lighting, and these will automatically turn on at night. All right, so let me just put them down so you guys can see it. Awesome. So you can make them as long as you want on this. So on and off button here. Put them to the test today and see what you guys think. All right, guys, look at this beautiful Tiki lamp right here. And this right now, you decorate it on your garden. It'll look beautiful, especially we have another one on that side right there, and we have this one right here. And at night we're gonna come back and check it out. But look, you can make them as tall as you want. We actually put the 2 fixtures in there plus the extender. We put the centerpiece here, made it nice and tall. But we're gonna come back at night and we turn it on, and they'll be on like that. Not that bad. Beautiful setup. All right, check out the Tiki Light from here, guys, with the nice little flower at night, brighten up the whole place here. And it's gonna look real nice in your backyard, guys, if you're trying to get something like this. Nice little light. Looks like a flame. You can see it from my angle. It goes all the way to the ground. No wires. Everything's solar, like I said, from the top. Easy to set up. All right, guys, look at the Tiki Lights from here. So you're trying to decorate your backyard. These are probably a good option to have.